Forex trading is not difficult, but the strategy you are using is what is not working for you. Okay, your strategy is not working. That is why you are not making profit with your trading activities. Okay, so if you have been looking for a profitable or a more profitable strategy which you can learn and use, okay, then you need to watch this video to the end. Like I said, a working strategy which you can learn and use. Okay, you need to learn first before you start using. This is very, very important. Okay, then you need to watch this video to the end, because this will help you to know what you have been missing all this while, and it will help you to apply it each time you are trading or you are about to trade. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, Forex trading is not something that is so difficult. The only thing that you are not getting right is that you are using a wrong strategy, a wrong trading strategy, or probably you didn't follow the instruction of the strategy you are using. Okay, there are so many reasons why you might not want to follow the instructions. Number one, probably you are not patient enough to learn and follow the instruction. Number two, maybe you didn't perfect the skill. Number three, is that maybe the strategy is too complex and you don't know how to navigate your way around it. Okay, but right here I will be sharing with you a simple trading strategy which I came across over a year ago, and I've been using it since then. And in trading activities like this, there is one thing that is more important, which is consistency. Okay, with this trading strategy, I've been milking the market for over a year. Not only me, even the members of my community are also doing the same thing. Okay, and those that are still learning, even within my community, are even making use of the trading signal I'm dropping in my videos, and also within the Telegram channel, to pick up one or two trades and make some good profit for themselves right from there. That is how beautiful this strategy is, and I'm going to reveal it to you right here using two different assets, and they are going to be live charts so that you guys will get to know and understand how to use this strategy. Okay, so quickly, the strategy I'm actually talking about is so good that I decided to create a custom-made indicator for it. Okay, so right here on my chart, you will notice that my chart is a bit different from what you are seeing from your end. This is the reason. The reason is that I am having a custom-made indicator installed on it. With the custom-made indicator, I don't need to struggle in between the chart. All I just need to do is to check what the custom made indicator is giving to me, and it will help me to analyze the market and give me a detailed picture of what is happening within the market. And right from there, within seconds, I can easily see what is happening within the market, and that is the beauty of it. Okay, and of course, what is the strategy all about? The strategy is the trend trading strategy. Okay, you heard that right, trend trading strategy. This strategy, actually, the reason why I'm using this strategy is because it helps me to trade on a particular on a particular trend for a very long time, because I realize that sometimes the market can be on a particular trend for hours, sometimes for days, sometimes for weeks. It can even go for months. Yeah, that's true. It can go for months, most especially for those that are trading gold. You will understand that sometimes gold can be on a certain pattern for a particular, for months sometimes. Okay, so this is very very important. So once you understand that this market or this asset is on this particular trend, you only need to focus on that trend. You don't need to swim against the trend or against the current. Okay, because doing that you are risking your capital, and the main purpose of you investing into a trading platform is for you to make more profit. Now let's see how this works. Okay, so if you should notice, this was an uptrend starting from this support region. It was an uptrend. And how do I know? Okay, when you see a yellow color like this, according to my own indicator, it shows that the market is on uptrend. When you see more of red, it shows that the market is on downtrend. So what do I need to do? I just need to understand the current trend of the markets. Okay, as that here the market was on uptrend. Okay, let's say I got it at this stage. Okay, it has gone far. What do I need to do? Do I need to jump into the trade at this point? No, I need to wait for it to get to the resistance zone and see if it's going to break out from the resistance zone or probably switch into a downtrend. Okay, in this situation it was unable to break out from the resistance zone, and it switched into a downtrend. This is where the switching happened. You can see it's changed from this yellow color to this red color, and when that happened it gave us the red arrow. The red arrows indicates that you can place a sell order at that point. So you can see we placed a sell order at this point. Okay, we placed a sell order because why should we place a sell order at that point? Number one, the best time to sell is when the market gets, or when the chart gets to a major resistance zone, and this has gotten to a major resistance zone 1, and when it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. In this situation it has not been able to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so this is a very good way for us to place a sell order. Then 3 is that when it switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, and that's what happened. Okay, and this happened at the major resistance zone. So all these conditions have been fulfilled at this point. Okay, so we placed our order at this point, and in order for us to secure our capital, we still had to put our stop loss at the resistance zone. Okay, in case the market decides to misbehave and go back to break out from the resistance zone, then it will aid the stop loss, and we will be taken away from the market with a little loss. Okay, so this is very very important. So right from there it started a downtrend, and I highlighted some TPs for us. Okay, TP1 achieved. If you should notice, because it started a downtrend, that does not mean there won't be pullback in between. There are pullbacks in between, even major pullbacks in between, but it's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so far it didn't get to our stop loss. We are good to go. Okay, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. Now it is heading to TP5 and TP6. You can see how juicy this is. Okay, so if you truly understand this strategy, the strategy of trend trading, then definitely you are most likely to be milking the market whenever you go into it. Okay, so this is very very important. Now let's check out another asset. Here is another setup on this particular assets. This is Paynex 999, and the same thing happened here. This actually got to the resistance zone also. Okay, so since it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, we had the switching taking place here from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we got the sell signal. So right from there we placed our sell order and our stop loss. If you should notice, this went into profit and came back into negative before going fully into profit, and TP1 was achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, and it has just achieved TP5. That is the beautiful part of it. Once you understand all these things, then you are most likely to milk the market for a very long time. Now it is getting to a major support region, so we should be getting ready to buy right from here. Okay, that is if it does not break out below this support region. Okay, so this is how I do my analysis. I don't even stress myself at all, and my indicator is also making it very, very easy for me to analyze within minutes. Okay, I can quickly say what the market is giving to us and what I should expect, and I set up my order, set up my stop loss, set up my TPs, and that is all. I can close my laptop and be busy with other things for the day. Okay, and at the end of the day, I will come back and check and see if I have made some profit. Okay, if I didn't make profit, that means it has gotten to my stop loss and it will take me out of the market with a little loss. Okay, and of course, once it goes in my own direction, then definitely I'm going to achieve almost all the TPs, if not all. Okay, and that is the beautiful part about it. Okay, and of course, guys, it is not all the time I achieve all the TPs in a day. Sometimes some of the trading activities will take hours. Okay, and of course I will be able to achieve all these TPs. Sometimes it will take days. It can take like 3 days. I've actually traded a particular asset that took me more than 7 days before I was able to achieve all my TPs. Okay, so it all depends. Okay, but I will be in profit all throughout this period till I'm able to achieve all my TPs. So that is the beauty of trend trading strategy. So I don't need to keep on checking the charts all the time. I don't need to panic whenever I am trading. I don't need to allow emotions to take over my trading activities. In short, this strategy, ever since I've started using this strategy, it has helped me to kill the emotional part of me each time I am trading. Okay, and that is the best way to go about trading activities. If you are still trading and you are unable to kill the emotional part whenever you are trading, then you are most likely to lose out on your trades. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, and if you want to know more about my trading tool, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.